Oh god, they dodge, dude. They anticipate when you're about to shoot them and they dodge. You stayed on there. Oh, jeez. I thought he was stuck. I need some more ammunition already again. Oh, please. Please, sir. Oh, dude, okay. Let me just focus real quick. Hua! Hua! Oh, dude. I shot you in the balls. How can you take that damage? Okay. Focus. Focus. Okay. Shoot him from up here. Because I am out of rounds, I think. Yep. I have 0 ammunition for any other weapon. Yeah, next level. Dude, I'm barely on the freaking 6th level. And I have no ammunition. Slowly treading into the unknown. I don't remember much about this level. And I hear some weird noises. And the music is getting more terrifying. Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh god, dude. Okay, I have nothing.